Alright guys, so for this one we're looking at how to use the Excel spreadsheets for our Pareto charts. Now you can either be doing this on a computer or on your device. If you are on your device, your functionality for Excel or Google Sheets might be slightly different. If you do get stuck on that kind of stuff, just give us a yell and I will try to get back to you on Google Classroom as soon as possible. Now I don't really need that title that we've got over here, the Cambridge Mathematics, etc., etc. So I'm just going to chuck in the information that you do need, which started at waste in section A4. So putting all those bits in, and we'll move on from there. And the frequencies, which is just the numbers straight again from that table. Now I'm actually going to use an equation to get our cumulative frequency. Like, we've got all of the numbers there and you could just add them yourselves, but the whole point of using Excel is to be able to use equations for it so that you don't have to keep doing all of the little bits and pieces yourself. So for our first one, I'm just going to go equals, and that number in the frequency is in section B5, so B5. So it equals 30. The next one we want to equal, and we want to get to that C5 plus the B6. So we're going to C5 plus B6, which gives us our two highlighted sections there to give us that answer. It gives us our 55. Now from there, we should just be able to drag down to solve all of the rest of the numbers. We should end up with the same numbers you had over in the cumulative frequency anyway. Now, question A in this section here is getting us to find our percentages using a formula. Same thing we just did, just a different formula slightly. So we're going to go equals, and we want that number, that 30, from the C5 section. So we're going to go C5, and we want to divide it by that total, which for us would be in C9. Now, because we don't want the number for the total to continually move, we want it to stay on that C9 section, and do something slightly different rather than just type in C9. Just putting a couple of dollar signs in there, which will just hold it at C9 even when the rest of the formula keeps changing. So we've got our dollar sign C and dollar sign 9, so it keeps us at that 100 every single time. And last thing up, we're going to times, which is the asterisk above 8 by 100, equals our fraction, times by the 100 gives us our percentage as a whole number, which gives us our 30. Now, same thing as before, I'm just clicking and I'm going to drag that formula down for the rest of it. Notice when you touch on those, you've now got the C6 with the dollar sign C, dollar sign 9, C7, C8, and C9, where that C9 bit here is not changing. If you hadn't put those dollar signs in, it would keep changing where that is and would go into all of these no value numbers down here. So what we're going to do here is we're going to grab those columns and then we'll press Control before grabbing that last one, because we don't actually need the cumulative frequency, we just want the percentage and the actual frequency. Going over Insert, and we are going to go to recommended column, our recommended chart types, and we actually want to get a combo chart because we want to have the column and the line graph, and we do want the one on the secondary axis so that you've got that second axis on the right hand side. Once you've got that, chucking it in to our picture, and we should be able to use the Pareto principle from there, which means we're going over to our 80, finding out where 80 is, going down and knowing that our food, paper and metals is on the left hand side of it before the end of the question.